then I ball. I ignored a lot of calls.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel or my Instagram. This is my baby girl Callie. If you haven't seen her, I don't think my YouTube I've showed her yet. Yeah, she's 10 months, and today we did a tutorial on how we do her little hairstyle. So I showed all the products. It's quick and easy. Her hair is still growing out. Yeah. Her hair is still growing out. So she has little flyaways. So I show you how I laid those down and just give her an overall quick 2 pigtail look. So if you want to see what products I use, keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also like the video because I'll probably put it on Instagram. But yeah, we're all done. We're all done. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, mama. Say yay. Yay. See you guys. we are all done. This is the finished product. She has her 2 pigtails and her hair is laid. So again, thank you guys for watching.